Hello everyone, it's Amy from MoxieDori. I'm going to teach you how to make a sunshine gratitude spread using the MoxieDori Compass Protractor. The Compass Protractor makes concentric circles and splits those circles into 32 pieces. So take a pencil and poke in the center where your stencil is going to be held down, just in case your hand slips and you have to come back to it. I'm going to use this tool to hold my stencil down, just to keep my hand out of the frame. You can use a mechanical pencil or a paper clip, just something pokey that'll keep it down. I'm using the third hole from the outside to make this circle, which will be my sun. Then I'm going to use the hash marks on the compass protractor to split my sun into 32 pieces so that I can have 31 days of gratitude. I'm going to use these hash marks to make lines coming from the sun to write my gratitude on. So I find it easiest when you do the top and the bottom lines first. Make sure that your straight edge is going through your center little dot and the two opposing hash marks. Next, do the left and the right. I find that when you split the circle into this many pieces, taking the time to make segments like this really makes the job a lot less difficult. Like, it just makes my eyes cross when I try to go little section by little section. So I'm using the MoxieDori journal rule as my straight edge, and so once you get the top, bottom, left, right, and then the 45 degrees marked out, do the sections in between. Just make sure you line up the opposing hash marks through the center dot, and you'll be fine. So when I'm done, I'll have 32 little pie pieces emanating from my center sunshine for me to write my gratitude on each day. I've seen a half-page layout like this, but the lines were really squished together and it just didn't seem to have enough space for me to write down what I wanted to write. Also, I just like the whole page, the whole spread layout. I like the whole sunshine. I want it all. I had to go back there and make a couple hash marks. I tried to wing it. It's a bad. I made them last night and erased them. So there we have it. There's a quarter, and I'll just continue on. If you want to see how it turns out, check out our Instagram feed, MoxieDori.